NQ disconnect, giving us a NQ disconnect with ES. We are having a conflicting signal. ES is giving us a negative 30,000 contracts, while NQ is giving us 24,000 contracts. There is disconnect between NQ and ES. In ES, we are having 30,000 sell contracts, while in NQ we are having positive 150 contracts. This is actually very bad for bulls. We are actually targeting that's 1,509 on NQ, while on ES we had the previous 9,148 level, but we have to follow the data. Currently, if data improves or show us the reason why the bullish will still come and take over. But for now, based on the conflicting data from COT reports, we'll be very cautious in buying NQ and ES for now, pending when data improve, and that will be all. Alright, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the chart and we see what is going on. Like you can see from a weekly time frame, this is that's 1,509 we are targeting. That is a first one standard deviation from this current swing. But if you look on a weekly time frame on NASDAQ, this is not showing us any sign of bull here. There is no sign of bullishness in this price action. So we'll be very cautious, and if you know what to do, you can trade the daily time frame. Like you can play the intraday price action. So what I'm saying in essence, there is no bullishness on these price actions. So also in ES, which is one of the conflicting signal we are having on COT this week, because we had ES, we are having a positive 150k contract. But if you look further in COT reports on ES, you can see the open interest that actually reducing their position in a very massive scale. Let me show you what they were doing. You see, the previous levels is about 2.1 million, 2.2, 2.5, but now they have reduced from 2.5, they reduce it to 1.8. So that is a very massive closing of position from institutional level. So institutions are not actually participating on ES now. Seems that everybody is very cautious to see what is going to happen. That being said, on ES, that for now we will be very cautious, or if at all, as far as swing price action is concerned, you have to be very careful doing that. Then on YM, you see on a weekly time frame, see what you can see here. There is not a very strong price action like bullishness here, because you see we are having a weeks, more than 2 weeks now. We keep on, we go up, then we close. So now there is a caution on anything that has to do with the index. And that being said, we get to Euro USD. Euro USD as per data, what data is saying on Euro USD, we have for 3 weeks for now a massive sell position. So we have been adding sells for the past 2 weeks, and also yeah, basically we have been adding shorts, and we have a 33k last 3 weeks, and last 2 weeks we have 2.7k delta. Then this week that just ended, we have a 22k negative delta. So in all, this is more or less better than what we are seeing on indices. Like I explained the other previous week, I'm already short on foreign currency. I'm selling the foreign currency. They had a more better price action compared to indices. So we go to pounds USD. Pounds USD, what is institutional doing on pounds USD? Okay, institution has been on a massive short on pounds. That be selling pounds, and that be increasing the open interest. So that is to tell you there is more parties, they are participating, and also they are reducing their long position, and why adding short. This is massive. They are adding shorts, reducing the long. We have this, and also interest rate keep on yeah, open interest keep on. So the participants are still coming into the market, and that is for COT reports. Then we go to charts. As you can see, my sell position, I have actually closed this sell position. because I think I was on drawdown for some time, so I said let me close the sell so that the account can balance back. So but aside that, I'm also still bearish on pounds. Data is saying that we are bearish, and chart is also confirming that. Then on pounds, on DSY, which is the father of all, if you remember, we were on this 3 months fair value gap. You see, we are looking for the 50% of it, and we have already achieved that. So on euro, on a DSY. So but based on what price action is showing here, I'm still looking for more of the higher prices. In fact, I will be interested, I will be so much interested on this 3 months fair value gap, that I will prefer that the level is hold so that it can act as a support, so we use that to push price higher. Then last but not the least is gold. Gold is on CO2 reports on gold. There is nothing special about gold. It seems like it's at crossroad, at equilibrium. So nothing is happening on gold for now. And we go to charts. I think there is little bit on a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, okay, on a 3 month time frame, I think it's better we wait in the next 3 days and watch if price will respect this. But for now, I'm not expecting any change, any immediate changes on gold. So it's better we all switch to foreign currency and bullish on DSY and on foreign currency like euro and pounds. We are bearish, and indices such as NASDAQ, S&P 500, E-mini Dow Jones, we'll be very cautious on them, and we don't have bigger thing for now, and that will be all for now. Play smart and see you on the next one.